Hello guys, today I come a little far at my village. In today's video, I will show you how to talk any strangers in English language. So let's start the video. This is me, Jugunoo, and let's come with me. And now I will show you how to talk. If you don't mind, so may I sit here?
Yeah, no problem. You can sit here.
Yeah, thank you so much. So what's your name?
Myself is Abhay Chauhan and I am from Mubarakpur. And I am a student of BA from Civilian National Inter College. That's all about me.
If you don't mind, so may I talk to you sometime in English language?
Yeah, no problem, bro. You can talk to me.
So my first question is that what are you doing here?
Nothing special. I'm just I have come here for enjoying with my friends, and that my friend is Mr. Rishi. And I have coming here for enjoying with my friends.
My second question is that can you describe about this place almost 1 and 2 minutes?
Yeah, definitely. This is a very beautiful place, and in evening time there are a lot of people come here for enjoying and spending their time. And in a Mubarakpur, it is called Mubarakpur Pokhara, and in a situated also situated police station. And let me tell you one thing. It is very famous thing of the Mubarakpur. There are so many handloom in a
Oh
Mu-
yeah, yeah.
in a
I know,
Mubarak
I know.
in a Mubarakpur, and it is too much famous silk sari. And from Mubarakpur to from foreign country, it is too much famous. That's why Mubarakpur is too much famous, and it is a describe.
Yeah, that is a really good answer has been given by you. My next question is that
Yeah.
what's your education level?
My education recently I completed my 12th and I taken admission in a BA from Civil National Inter College, because it is a very popular college, and that's why I taken admission in Sibley College.
Oh, right now you are doing graduation.
Yeah,
My next question is that
yeah.
what do you want to be in your life?
I want to be in my life. I want to be a social media influencer, not a little. I want to be a big social media influencer. That is my influencer. Everybody have a their ambition for becoming anything, something, and just like I have my ambition. So
The
that's
same. I also creating my video for the uploading on the YouTube, and you
yeah,
also want to become influencer. Like we are the same,
yeah,
no?
yeah.
So my next question is that what kind of food you like most in eating?
I most like eating food. दाल चावल क्या कहते हैं यार इंग्लिश में?
Pulse and rice.
Yeah, I most like pulse and rice, because it is a very common thing in a village, and in every village it is very every people eating every morning, just like it is for the poor people, just like us, we are poor people.
Yeah, that is really good for health.
Yeah,
Can you tell about that person? Who is the person and what is doing with you?
yeah. This is my friend, and his name is Mr. Rishi, and he is my friend before since before 8 year, and I know him very well, and he know about me very well, and he's also support me. And if I trap anywhere and I will call that person, he will available for me for my helping. So that's why he's very important for me, and every people friends important for theirs. So that's why my friend always support me and give me respect, and I will give respect. That's why it is very he is very important for me.
Yeah, I think he is your true friend.
Yeah, he's my true friend.
So your friend can speak English.
No, because he is so many responsibility, and from since since he's left their education, I think 4 years, because he has a lot of responsibility of the families. So that's why he can't speak English.
Oh, he is right now thinking about his family and doing any work for just managing his family.
Yeah,
That is really good. So all right, have a nice conversation with me and you, and thank you so much for giving your previous precious time with me. And I will try to meet you next
yeah.
if it is possible. So nice talk with you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
I hope guys you understood how to talk and strangers in English language. This video is very helpful for you, and please keep on watching this whole videos. And also at the end of this video I would like to say, if this video is helpful for you, so please don't forget to like and subscribe the Jugunoo method. That's all.